In just a couple of weeks the 2018 Tokyo Auto Salon will open its doors, and Honda has just revealed the vehicles that it will bring on the event. Perhaps the most important of them will be the CR-V custom concept pictured above. Though Honda has only released the name and a sole image, our best guess is that we could be looking at a sportier version of the company's compact crossover. The CR-V won't be the only concept on display though, not by a long shot. It'll be joined by the RS custom concept of the Jade minivan, while the Modulo X line will also be well represented by concept versions of the STEP WGN and S660 cars, and the Mugen division will show the Civic Type R-based RC 20 GT. The new Jade RS production model will be showcased as well alongside a Mugen-tuned Civic hatchback. Also on display will be the new NSX Civic Type R N1 RS and Freed Modulo X, together with an array of racing models like the Dallara DW12 IndyCar NSX GT3 Civic TCR Super Formula single-seater and Super GT Spec NSX GT, plus of course a number of Honda's racing motorcycles.